Homemade carbon dioxide mosquito traps can reduce local biting pressure when built and used safely. Start with a clear plan. Use a sturdy 1-gallon plastic container or 2-liter bottle, a funnel, or cut bottle top to create a one-way entry and an inner chamber to hold the fermenting mix. For reliable carbon dioxide production, mix warm water with 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of active dry yeast. Stir until dissolved, pour into the chamber, and add the yeast last so it starts producing gas. Keep the mixture at room temperature 40 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit for steady output. Place the trap with the opening low to the ground and shaded, at least 10 feet away from seating areas, so you do not attract mosquitoes toward people. Check and refresh the ferment every 48 to 72 hours for best output, and replace the liquid every week to avoid foul odors and bacterial overgrowth. Use a sticky interior surface or a small battery-powered fan drawing air into a container with an internal sticky panel to retain trapped insects. If you use a powered fan, be sure wiring and batteries are dry and weather protected. Always use food-grade sugar and avoid adding toxic chemicals or bleach to the mix because that creates hazardous fumes and defeats the hobbyist safety goal. People often assume these traps will eliminate mosquitoes for large yards, which is not realistic, so treat them as a local reduction tool and combine with source reduction by removing standing water and treating breeding sites. A common mistake is placing traps near people, which increases bite risk. Move traps well away from patios and play areas. Another issue is neglecting cleanliness, which leads to blocked inlets, foul smell, and reduced effectiveness. Empty and scrub the trap weekly and refresh the ferment. Finally, users sometimes expect commercial-level carbon dioxide output from small fermentation setups, and that leads to disappointment. Recognize limited field efficacy and use multiple traps targeted to likely mosquito corridors and pair them with larval control for better results. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work in home improvement categories related to pest control and outdoor projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where hobbyists and professionals share, build tips, safety notes, and local experiences with traps.